were you a minion in a past life? Oh, your sister's gonna get you. No, get out of there! No, no! That's not what you're supposed to do. I really think the girls could do this for hours, and it's just the old baby bathtub, some measuring cups, and measuring spoons. And I tried to get some different colors and sizes so we could talk about which one's larger and which one's smaller. It's free. That lady had a good idea.